In this video, we're going to show you how to do a safety lesson using the GotSafety mobile app on your iPhone. First, you will want to tap Safety Lessons. You will notice that by default, the list of lessons are listed in English. At the top, by the language English, you'll see the down arrow, which when tapped, will prompt you to select a language, and if you choose Spanish, you will notice that all of the lesson titles immediately switch to Spanish. Let's go back to English and select a lesson. We're going to choose Lockout Tagout. Upon selecting, you will see the lesson, and again, at the top, you have the option to switch to Spanish in the event that you have an English reading supervisor wishing to select a lesson for Spanish reading employees. Now the lesson is ready to be read aloud for groups or to yourself if you're doing the lesson alone. Once you get to the bottom of the lesson, after completing the reading of it, you will see the Sign Off button, which when tapped will take you to the signature page. Here, a signature and typed in employee name are required. By tapping the Type Your Name button, you'll be prompted to enter your name. You'll notice that as you type the first letter, a list of names that contain that letter will appear. With a long list of employees, you may not see your name immediately and need to continue typing. As you do so, it will eliminate names until your name becomes easier to find, at which point you will tap your name and it will be filled into the box. You are now ready to apply your signature. Once your signature is applied, you will tap the Agree button at the bottom, signifying that you have read and understood the materials. Once you've done so, you will get a prompt letting you know that the training has completed successfully, and you will hit the OK. At this point, if you have additional employees, you will repeat the process until you enter all of the names of the employees at the training. Once done, you can hit the back button at the top and continue using the app for your other purposes or simply sign off. This concludes the training on conducting a safety lesson using the GotSafety mobile app.